Okay, children, let us work out two questions. The first question is like this. Actually, I am speaking about probability distributions in that binomial distribution. Anyway, whether I tell the distribution or not, we should be able to recognize it. Let us see this question. There are 6% defective items in a large bulk of items. Some amount of items are kept in that 6% are defective. That means how many are good? 94% are good. 6% are not good. Find the probability that a sample of 8 items will include not more than one defective item. So there are 8 sample items, 8 items we select. In the 8 items we select, that will include not more than one defective item. It should include not more than one defective item means it can be maximum 1, it can be defective, or it should be 0 defective item. So probability of x equal to 0 and probability of x equal to 1. 1 is the maximum defective it can have. So they are looking for the number of defective. So our probability of success will be defined, P will be here, will be what? 6%. Because defective represents 6%. 6 by 100. And Q will be what? 94%. Okay, or 6 by 100, 94 by 100. And then we have n is equal to 8 items. Total of 8 items are selected. In that we have a situation, the question is probability of x should not be more than 1. That should be less than or equal to 1. This means probability of x less than 1 means it can be 0, discrete. Okay, so this will be probability of x is equal to 1. These are the two cases. So this can be done what? 8c 0. So P is what? 6% or 6 by 100 to the power, here it is 0. And then this is 94 by 100 to the power 8 minus this will become 8 plus 8c1, this will be 6 by 100 to the power 1 and 94 by 100 to the power, it will be 7. So this is how it comes. Now if you simplify, this will become 1 into 90, this is also 1. 1 into 94 by 100 to the power 8. Here 8c1 is 8 into 6 by 100 into 94 by 100 to the power 7. If you want, you can take 94 by 100 to the power 7, you can take common factor. And here you will have 94 by 100 plus 8 into 6, this will become what? 48 by 100. So this will become 94 by 100 to the power 7 into this. When you add, what you get? You will get here 2 and 14, 142. 142 by 100. This we cannot, this difficult to calculate or cancel. You can cancel if you want, you can cancel this 100 and 142. But basically, I'm not going into the detail of calculation, but this is how we get the first part of it. That means this until cancellation, it will be like this. Okay, now let us do another question. What is another question? The second question is what? In a hurdle race, a player has to cross 10 hurdles. You know what are hurdles? You have to jump and run. So there are 10 hurdles. Probability that he will clear each hurdle is 5 by 6. Each hurdle, his probability of getting over it is 5 by 6. That means there is a chance 1 by 6 he may knock down it and fall. So what is the probability that he will knock down fewer than 2 hurdles? So here they are speaking about knocking it down. So our success is not the real success, but our P is knocking down. P is, we have what is given is knocking, without knocking down is 5 by 6 is the probability. Therefore, this is 1 minus 5 by 6. That is 1 by 6. So, knockdown is our probability. So, here n, how many are there? N, there are n hurdles, 10 hurdles are there. So, he should be fewer than, he will knock down fewer than. So, you have to find probability of x should be less than or equal to 2. This is the situation. Less than or fewer than 2. Fewer than 2 means, sorry, it should not be 2, it should be less than 2. It cannot be equal to 2, less than 2. That means this is probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. So this situation we have x equal to 0 means here n is what? 10. 10 C 0, success is 1 by 6 to the power 0 and 5 by 6 to the power 10 minus 0, 10 plus, now for 1, 10 C 1, 1 by 6 to the power 1 and 5 by 6 to the power 5 by 6 to the power 9, 10 minus 1. So here this 10C0 is 1, 1 into 5 by 6 to the power 10 plus 10C1 is 10 into, this will become what? This 1 by 6 you can multiply. Okay, that no need. So we will write this as 10 by 6 into 5 by 6 to the power 9. So if you want, you can take 5 by 6 to the power 9 common factor, and here you will have 5 by 6 plus here 10 by 6. So this is 5 by 6 to the power 9 into this is 15 by 6. 15 by 6, if you want, you can cancel by 3, it will become 5 by 2. So that's how we lend it. Less than, fewer than 2 hurdles. This is a way to go about with such questions. Okay, we'll do some more questions.